Hello friends, very good evening to everybody. I am Namita, your friend. I hope you all are fine. And sorry friends, not making videos regularly because I am also a student. I have also some exams going on, so that I am not getting time for making videos. So sorry for that. But some friends requested me to make videos for their request I am making video. So today's topic, philosophical foundation of education, paper 1. So today we'll start unit 2 of paper 1. Unit 2 Indian education. So what are the different types of Indian education? So friends, historically Indian education of 4 types: ancient education, medieval education, modern education, after independence education. 4 different parts of Indian education. So in ancient education we will study about Vedic education, Jainese education, Buddhist education. So let's see. The first question: state the methods of teaching as suggested by Vedic education, or state the aim of, otherwise they can ask like state the aim of education according to Vedic education. Methods of teaching they can ask, otherwise aim of education also they can ask in exam. So let's see what is Vedic education. Friends, I hope you know about Vedas, what are different type of Vedas. Okay, so let's see. Vedas are the first record of mankind. The oldest book in the world are Vedas. Vedas are collective wisdom. Collective wisdom means what? It is also called Apyarushas, means no one person was written the Vedas. Vedas also called Shrutis. Also called Shrutis means the knowledge was acquired after hearing. Shruti means hearing. Okay, Vedas are the oldest. They are also called collective wisdom. They are also called Shrutis because we will get knowledge after hearing. Okay, so what are the different type of Vedas, friends? You already know Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. First one, Rig Veda. Rig Veda means what? Rig Veda is prose part, collective of lyrics. Okay, Rig Veda is the oldest text as compared to these 3 Vedas. Rig Veda is the oldest text. Sam Veda means book of chants. This Veda is important for the Indian music. Now came Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda means book of sacrificial prayers. And Atharva Veda, Yajur Veda means book of sacrificial prayers. Atharva Veda means book of magical formula. Magical formula means it contains the charms and spells, the mantras. Okay. So these are the 4 types of Vedas. Now see 4 parts of Vedas. What are the 4 parts of Veda? Mantra Samhita, the Brahmanas, the Aryankas and Upanishad. So what do you mean by Mantra Samhita? Mantra Samhita is the collection of mantras. Collection of mantra is called Mantra Samhita. Brahmanas, mantras are written in prose. Mantras written in prose and elaboration of ritualism, the rituals. Brahmanas means a prayer. Okay, the mantras will spell and chant by the Brahmanas. Okay. Now Aryankas. Aryankas means Aranya. Aranya means Bana, forest. So Arankyas means the appendage. Appendage means part of. Appendage of these Brahmanas are called Aryankas. They are composed in the calmness of the forest. Aryankas composed in the calmness of forest. Upanishad. What do you mean by Upanishad? Upanishad is philosophical text. These are also called Vedanta. Upanishads are also called Vedanta. How many Upanishads are there? There are 108 Upanishads are there. Now we'll study about aim and ideals of education. Aim and ideals of education. So, what is that? According to Rig Veda, education should make men self-reliant and selfless. Okay? According to Upanishad, what Upanishad says about education? Sa vidya ya bimuktaye. What do you mean by sa vidya ya bimuktaye? Education is for liberation. Liberation means mukti. Knowledge is a mean for freedom. Knowledge is a way to freedom. Okay, sa vidya ya bimuktaye. Now, the physical, the mental, the spiritual development of individual is the aim of education. What is the aim of education? The physical development, mental development, and the spiritual development of a child, a individual is the aim of education. Now, next we will read the fourth point. Acquiring of the ethical values and social values is the aim of education. Ethical values means the good manners. The social values is the aim of education. Imparting the skills by the vocational training is the aim of education. Okay friends, this is the aim of education under Vedic education. So now we'll read about methods of teaching. What are the methods of teaching under Vedic? So first method, nature-based environment. Friends, in old days, in early days they are doing what they are doing. They are going to forest. Okay, they are going to gurukulas. The disciples will go to gurukulas. So nature-based environment. Second one, oral instruction. What is oral instruction? Next, meditation, monitorial system, explaining method, question answering method, and discussing method. So we will see one by one. So nature based environment, you know. So the disciples will go to guru's house, means gurukul. They will go to forest. They will stay there and they will study there only. And oral instruction. So in Vedic period, they stress under oral pronunciation. Okay, they will repeat, they will pronounce. So in early days, in early period, see, if they will spelled the pronunciation by mistake, means they will do anything wrong while pronunciation. This is a one type of sin. So see, they are mantras, no, the Gayatri mantra, your Mahamrityunjay mantra. So we need to pronounce the mantras correctly. Okay, so this is what oral instruction. So in Vedic period, they will repeat, they will pronounce again and again, so that they don't have any mistake in pronunciation. Okay. Now, the third method, meditation. You know what do you mean by meditation? Meditation means what you know. The mantras, the bone of meditation, mantra, and the development of sound of the disciple. So you know what do you mean by mantras? Meditation. Now we'll go to monitorial system. What do you mean by monitorial system? See, now also this system is there. See, intelligent students were offered the opportunity to monitor other co-students, yes or no? So in order to make the personal supervision effective, the cooperation and help of advanced students were enlisted. Okay, this is monitorial system, means the intelligent students will cooperate other students. Next one, explaining method. This is, this is explaining method also there in Vedic system. Question answering method, this is also and discussion method means orderly and systematically they will discuss between students under the guidance of the teacher. Okay, they will discuss. These are the methods of teaching. So I hope you understood what you mean by Vedic education, aim of Vedic education and the methods of education. So thank you for watching my video. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay friends, so don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you.